Hi there guys, just a really absolutely dead quick update. So today in the morning I received something in the post. In my life I actually never won anything apart from, I don't know, 10 quid in the lottery like we all do, right? But you know, I took part in so many giveaways and everything. I never actually won anything until today. 2 boxes from Hikoki. That used to be a brand called Hitachi. So they've done a giveaway on their Instagram channel, and I was actually lucky to win one of the main prizes, which I'm absolutely gobsmacked. I think it's a cordless drill. I think it's a cordless circular saw and a sander. And obviously at the minute, as you can see, everything is in the box. I managed somehow to not touch the boxes. So obviously guys, I'm gonna do some unboxing, testing and reviewing the tools I got from Hikoki. And to be absolutely honest with you, this is the first proper branded tools I've actually got in my workshop. So it would be interesting to see how they actually stack up against my cheap tools I already got. So you can imagine there's some future videos coming up very soon. And the second part of the good news is the Makers Central 2019 in Birmingham, England is about to start tomorrow. And I will be there, lurking around the crowds and, you know, enjoying the atmosphere. I've been last year and it was absolute a blast event, fantastic. This year's even bigger with fantastic people there, amazing makers. I can't wait for it to start. Obviously, you're going to be absolutely certain that you're going to see some bits and bobs from the event on my channel. So I'll try to cover as much as I can for you. So if you're not fortunate enough to be able to actually go to the event, you will be able to actually see what happened and who was there. And I hope you're going to enjoy that as well. I know it's not the best and probably you wish you were there, but that's better that than nothing. So just a really quick one there, as you can see, just an update for you guys, and yeah, I'll see you next week on my normal videos. Take care.